Hi, and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. Yes, my hair is a mess, but that's the point of this video today. Today I'm using the Tymo hair straightener, and I don't have my hair blow dried. It was washed, deep conditioned. I put a leave-in in, and I braided it. So now we're gonna take out the braids and we're gonna try this Tymo. If you missed the last video of me straightening my hair using the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy products, I will link it down below and I will put it in the cards. Nice and fluffy, it's very soft. The leave-in I used, I'll put right here. It's my favorite leave-in. And as a heat protectant, I'll be using the Flora Beauty 24K Rose Gold Beauty Oil, and I'm gonna just add it to each section. So first I'm gonna break this half into half. I'm gonna add the heat protectant to this part of my hair. I don't want the section to be too small or too big, so I'm just gonna add this. I'm gonna use 2 drops, maybe 3. I'm gonna add another drop because I just want to make sure it's coated. Alright, so we'll take this size section and we're going to try it. So I brushed it through already. I have this on 4 lights. I don't have it on the 5. I don't remember the temperature, but I'll put that down on the screen. So let's get this started. So that was one pass. A little blow dry. The bottom of my hair is the tightest, so I'm gonna put it on the 5th. Let that heat up. I always forget that I need to do that. So this is the second pass at the highest temperature. Straight. Here it is. It's all straight. Let's do a quick climb up to the back. Let's say 7.5. Part's a little longer. Okay, so these are the quick final results. I flat ironed it quickly because I just wanted to see how quick I can get it done, and it's pretty straight. I can't say it's as flat and bone straight as it is sometimes with my regular flat iron, but it is pretty straight. So let's just see. In the front, my hair goes down to around the 9. I think the Tymo is cool. I think that it does what it says it's supposed to do, and if I was working on it in smaller sections, it probably would have been a flatter flat iron. I was just doing it quick for the sake of seeing how it works, and I believe it does work. So I will link this down below, and we will test to see how this 24 Rose Gold Beauty Oil held up as a heat protectant. Don't forget to comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!